Daddy.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. This is day 2 of Monterey. We dropped my dad off at his Spartan race because that's the whole reason we're here. But me, my mom, and my sister are going around town, and we're going to this Monterey Bay Aquarium. So my dad won't be joining us, but my mom and sister go getting breakfast. But I already had Starbucks, so yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, Cannery Road.
No, row.
Oh yeah, row. Whatever. So it's all the way down the road one?
Yeah, it's at the very end.
I remember it being different, like this side, not right here. What's there? Mom. These are actually animals, they're alive, but they're like, that's too weird. There's a fish in here?
It's a big fish here.
Oh,
it has a handle.
Oh my god.
It's a flat fish.
That scared me.
I freaked it out. I was like, wait.
I was like, what the? Is that real? Their eyes are at the top.
Isn't that weird?
I want a duck. Weather, it's like hot. Hot.
Why aren't these eggs in the nest?
Those ducks could go over here if they wanted to. Some fish in there and they have a wave machine to simulate it. I bet the birds eat the fish though, huh? That's cool. Whoa. I'd want to live here.
Yes, I would.
You'd get fed, you would get taken care of.
Addison.
Touch pool. That was cool. I can't believe I didn't feel that.
Just wait a second.
Is my undershirt? Oh wait. There's another touch pool over there.
Clam.
I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be back. My hands are all sticky from the sanitizer. So we're going across now. Just stay here, but make it like on the tripod. You're gonna stay here on the button. She pressed the turn off elevator button, and when she lifted it up, it went. They look the same. Why do they look the same? They would do if I just jumped into that.
Probably blow a whistle until you gotta get down.
Penguins were in the splash floor.
I want to do that, but I think it's cold.
Well, it's not cold, it's the wetsuit's on.
Narwhal swimming in the ocean. Mom, that's Dory. Oh, it's kind of short.
Dragon pipefish.
Oh.
One day
So hungry.
should I get one? Look at this penguin.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
So if you
Look. I'm getting this one. I feel something with the mom. I feel a sale going on.
Stuff. His hair.
Where are we going now, though?
We're going to the California.
Okay. Mom, can you take Mr. Mange?
I can take him.
The land of taffy. Cut my hand right there, guys. I guess I need some gummy aid. They have chocolate aid too.
They sell that at Accounting.
It's eggnog taffy. Even you would like the eggnog taffy. It's actually good. So we're going to the skate park. Oh, that's great. That's great. Skate park. Mr. Maine. Pop the trunk, Mom. I don't think I'm just gonna record it. I'm just gonna go. Many accomplishments were made. I got it. It went down the half pipe like I never done before. But my leg's broken. So Mom, what store are we going to? Or like
Addie, wait.
what restaurant are we going
I
to?
don't know names. We're just gonna walk.
Mom, can we buy a boat and live here? A lot of people. We're just gonna walk through and just find a place. Let's go to Big Fish Grill.
I'm gonna go to the restroom.
I like the white one. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, you have to be strong to hold that one. That's why I can't.
Easy with your hand. Now look at the camera. There you go. Look over here. Look over here. Look at the camera after. Turn around. Teddy.
Addie, over here.
Xander.
Be ready.
Little one.
Just put your head up. Look at your dad. Put your head up. Look at your dad. Look over there. Don't be like you're scared half to death, you know. He ain't gonna do nothing to you. You're never gonna get a picture like that again.
That is so cool.
Cute.
Come here.
How do I get up there on those?
Jump out of the water.
Mom, look. Mom.
Scatter don't.
That was good, Mom. Good. Good.
Stop.
Mom, we're going home. When we get in the car, we're going home, Mom.
Yeah, I think so. Look at our puppies.
Cold. Oh, 3-4 hour drive, huh?
Yep. Let's see what you said.
Well, then yeah. Like 100 degrees.
I don't know what it is.
It's hot. From like 70 degree cold weather. Now we're in like 90.
Yep. Welcome home.
Just get one of these again, or I'm just gonna get the skin because it's good.
That's a card.
Oh yeah.
Just delicious. Okay guys, so we just got home. Our pool's pretty high, so I'm gonna go swimming, but I'm also gonna end the vlog off. I just have to unpack all my junk, and yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog, the last vlog.
Hi, ready?
Hope you enjoyed today's and yesterday's vlog, so yeah, peace out.